Hello guys and good morning. The market seems to be retracing from here, so I'm buying Bank Nifty, not much but just 10 lots for now at a price of 23,945, and my SL would be 23,895 because that is the lowest low. So I'm buying from the market here.
Order filled.
All right, so this is my current position, as you could see. Okay, so bought a Bank Nifty at 23,952 is my average, and I'll keep you posted where I'll be booking this. So guys, as you said here, I'm exiting my position right now because I got enough profits.
Order filled.
Exited, and 31,000 profits. And I'll tell you what exactly I did. As I promised you guys, I'll show you the chart and how I did it. Alright, I'll show you first 15 minutes of my chart. See, this was the level where it thought it would retrace. So this was my SL that was somewhere around the lower low, as it tried to break but it did not. So it's a higher low, and I took a risk with a minimal quantity. My stop loss was below this low, that is this low. That is 23,905, so I'd keep it somewhere around 23,895, and I just wanted, okay, one second, it will retrace to this levels, but I was a little bit skeptical, so I exited early because my risk to reward was quite good in this trade, because I had an SL of 30 points and I booked somewhere around 90 points. That was 1:3, I guess, and I'm happy with that. So I'll show you my trade here. So 31,000 profit, not a bad deal, more than 100 points. So I'll show you what is the executions. So we bought 250 Bank Nifty, 23,952. We bought 250 quantities, that is 10 lots of Bank Nifty, and we exited at 24,078. All the 250 quantity. Guess the profits are here. So if I take any further trades, I'll keep you posted. And if not, this might be the end. Thank you guys. So guys, I'm not taking any more trades as work calls again, tight schedule. So I think I booked a decent amount of profit today, so I'll be closing my day here and have to rush towards a few of the pending works actually. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, take care. And also do subscribe to my channel. I always forget to say this because I'm really new on this recording and everything.